The 1950s home in Surrey is being reimagined as a modern family haven, blending historic charm with contemporary functionality. British architecture studio Medium, https www.design.com/medium, has completed a transformative renovation of Hearth House, a sprawling 1950s country home in Surrey, https www.design.com/Surrey. This project aims to unify the dilapidated extensions, once a cluster of single-story rectilinear blocks that had grown organically over decades, creating a disjointed and inefficient living space. But here's where it gets controversial. While the studio prioritized preserving the original two-story pitched home, many argue that such preservation risks leaving the property feeling outdated or disconnected from its modernized surroundings. And this is the part most people miss: how the design balances heritage with innovation to create a cohesive, functional space.